Mga pangkatao-tao guys. So maya-maya konti, marami nang papasok. Maaga pa eh. So ito yung entrance. Maganda. Hi, how are you my friend?
Fine.
Welcome to Philippines.
Welcome to Philippines. Welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
Philippines, Mia.
Syukran. Syukran. So guys, andito na tayo sa loob. So ngayong week guys ay dito sa Alsuedi Park, sponsor ng Philippine. So Filipino week ngayon, Filipino culture.
Mabuhay.
Ay. Buhay. So mamaya pa yung concert ni Billy Crawford. Siya pala yung ano ngayon guys ito. Guest ngayon unang araw, unang gabi ng Filipino Week. So mamaya panoorin natin. Utikot lang muna tayo. At nakakakain na rin ng hapunan mamaya. Hindi pa nakakain. Ayan guys, dami na mga Pilipino. So yung ibang program di pa talaga nag-uumpisa. Ano pa lang eh 5:40 ng hapon. Dito ayan, karamihan ng mga Pilipino nagsikainan muna dahil hindi pa nag-umpisa yung pinaka-program talaga. Ito may shawarma house. Ayan, shawarma. Domino's. Domino's Pizza. Dito tayo ngayon sa may pinaka food court nila guys. Ayan, bisita yung mga si kainan. Saan kayo? Okay, dito ako sa may food court. Mamaya kakain muna tayo bago tayo magtitikot.
Ready, 1, 2, 3. Yalla.
Hi. Saan kayo kakain? May shawarma doon.
Saan? Pila?
Wala ko kapakutaan na, mag-ikutin pa na ako.
Okay, okay.
Gusto mo yun?
Ayo, pila.
Halo. Oh, ikot pa ako dito sa may food court. Saan ka ba kayo? Okay, dito sa may Star Stadium, pipicture kayo, punta ko kayo dyan. Oh, dito ako sa may ano Philippines may nakasulat. Okay. Dito sa malapit sa concert yan. Okay. Nag-ikot-ikot pa sila, naghahanap ng makainan. Halika rin sa may Philippines, picture tayo. Philippines. So ayan guys, naka-order na tayo ng ating makakain bago tayo manood ng concert ni Billy Crawford. Kain muna dahil hindi pa kami naghapunan, so kain muna tayo. Ayun, dito tayo kakain sa kanilang malawak na food court.
54 sa amin. Opo.
Yung iba namin kasama kumakain na. Guys, kasama ko si Mrs.
Asa sila pa?
Ayan. So dito tayo kakain guys. Malawak na food court nila. Ayan. Doon. Okay. Wala naman, Christmas ano lang.
Group picture na. Kami muna, dalawa.
Oh, still Indonesian. Indonesian pa to. Hindi, sa ano pa to?
Mahal sa
Baro Tagalog.
Tanik na lang. Pwede mo nga pumasok doon.
'Cause I was gonna ask anong ulam nyo kasi gutom na din ako. But of course, we have a message that we want to share to everyone here. Of course, there's a reason why we're all together. It's because we're celebrating culture, and it is of course our duty now to also thank once again the Saudi government for giving us this platform. Thank you to the Ministry of Media under Global Harmony, and of course Riyadh Season 2025, along with Quality of Life program for making this Filipino culture festival and get together possible. We have an Arabic version of that also tonight.
Yes, Kabayan. Kabayan, how, kamusta kayo? Ano ba yan? Kabayan, allow me to speak in Arabic. أود أن أتقدم بجزيل الشكر لحكومة المملكة العربية السعودية على هذه الفرصة، كما أشكر وزارة الإعلام تحت رعاية برنامج التناغم العالمي وموسم الرياض على مساهمتهم في إنجاح احتفال الجالية الفلبينية، وبالطبع شكر خاص لكم يا كبايان على حضوركم ودعمكم. يعطيكم العافية.
Kasabot mo.
Saya pala siya.
Wala daw. Alright, it's so nice to see even more people gathered here today. But I'm sure you might still have friends, family na wala pa dire. So if you do, please text them and invite them here. Papuntahin nyo dito so that we can all celebrate. We say that, sama-sama.
Sama-sama Suwedi Far.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I just want to say, I also researched a little bit. I think the Saudi and Filipino culture are quite similar. Do you agree?
That is correct. We are both like to eat rice.
You both, yes. Well, that is true. But aside from our food preferences, we have a very deep respect for our elders. We're also very family-oriented, right?
That is correct.
And we also have a very strong sense of community, as we're seeing here tonight. Mag-ingay kayo, mga Pilipino!
Kabayan, Kabayan in the back. We see you. We love you.
Yes, everyone there in the back, thank you for being here today.
Can you see them all the
I
way
see
in the
them.
back?
I see them all the way in the
Grabe.
Philippines. Just kidding. But again, thank you so much for showing up tonight. This is only night one of our 4-day celebration where we come together to celebrate Filipino culture. It's never easy to be in a foreign country, to be in an unfamiliar place. So it's nice to see different Filipinos as well gathered here together. It makes you feel a lot less homesick, don't you agree? Ayan, I thought you were an exceptional singer.
Okay. Bahay kubo kahit monte ang halaman doon ay sa
Kubo. I
Natatawid kahit alon ay maot sa tatawid. Sa mandako'y pinangakong makakarating. Ikaw naman nakapiling. Maging anak ko, walang takot, natatawid. Kahit alon ay maot sa tatawid. Sa mandako'y pinangakong makakarating. Ikaw naman nakapiling. Come on!
Okay, we will prepare budot for you next. Pero
may bayad daw. Joke lang. Oh, they want budots now! Do you need sound like...
okay, you make the sound kasi the song is not ready. Tara, they will help you. They will help you.
Mga Pilipino, will you help me with this? Okay! 1, 2, 3, go! Let's give it up for Saudi Pinoy!
Grabe, kabayan. Maraming salamat.
يلا سلمي عليها.
Say this with me. Habibi, come to Suwaidi, okay?
Habibi, come to Sweden!
Okay, let's say that together. Are they gonna, there's a videographer by the way, ladies and gentlemen. Magsuklay muna kayo. Alright, so on the count of 3, we'll say it together. Habibi, come to Suwaidi. Can we do that? Okay.
Okay, kabayan, we need your phone, we need your flashlights.
Okay,
Please.
get your phones.
Flashlights, kabayan.
Sana hindi pa lobat yung mga phones nyo.
More
There we go.
kabayan,
I
more.
love it. It's like stars in the sky. Okay, so we will say Habibi and then you will say come to Suwaidi. Can we do that? All right. At the count of 3.
2, 1. Habibi!
I love that. Thank you very much for a very supportive crowd here tonight. And because of that, we are going to give you the treat of the evening, ladies and gentlemen. Our star of the night needs no further introduction. We've seen him on the big screen. He is known as the coach on Team Bilib of The Voice Kids Philippines. That's right, and also the grand winner of Dancing with the Stars France, the one, the only Billy Crawford.
Hindi na ako.
Kamusta mga kababayan? What's up, everybody? Are you ready to party?
Yes!
Ay, hindi ko kayo marinig. Are you ready to party? Yes! Let's go. Next song. We can do whatever we like. With the flow, baby, you know that you want it. We're growing sexy.
Kaya kahit pa paano, we should be thankful that we are here as one. Walang kulay, walang race. Nag-i-enjoy tayong lahat. With peace, harmony, kaya nga global harmony ngayon, di ba? As one tayo. So, I would like to dedicate my next song. Sino ba dito mga single na? Hindi ko alam kung magandang senyales na marami kayong single dito sa inyo. Wala kang masyadong pagmamahal dito. Si Kuya natawa ako. With ko on confidence, sabi niya, wala! Walang pagmamahal dito, tol! Hirap ginhawa lang. Hindi. Ang dami yung single dito naman sa Saudi. Wala bang oras para magkajowa? Wala. Ulo trabaho eh, no? Eh di perfect kayo. Kami na yung ano. Well, hindi. Nagpapasalamat ako dahil dalawa na anak ko. Yay! Mag-performance yung pangalawa namin ni Colleen and I'm so thankful. Kaya, bilisan na natin to kasi uwi na ako bukas eh. Joke lang. You know, it's always difficult when you leave home. Diba? Mahirap eh. And etong susunod kong kakantahin, kaya ako nagtanong kung sino yung mga single dito. Kung alam niyo yung kantang to, gusto ko nga bumaba pero pinagbabawalan nila ako kanina pa eh. I think if I go down, I might get attacked by the security. Pero gusto ko bumaba. Huwag kayo magalala. Gugulatin natin sila. Hindi naman marunong tayalan mga to. Para maiba, sila na lang dumugin nyo. Huwag ako. Hindi, ito na lang. This next song, I really want to dedicate it to all the single ladies here tonight. Okay? If you know the words to this song, one of my favorite songwriters in the world, this one's for everybody. Let's go. Ano pala to eh? Sing with me?
Yeah!
Pagod na ba kayo? No! Hindi pa. Kasi may 3 oras pa tayo. Joke lang. May himatay na ako na 3 oras dito. May jet lag pa ako. Hindi. Ito na lang. He is my favorite artist of all time. And itong mga kanta niya are my favorite songs of all time. So, please help me sing his songs. This one's for everybody.
You got to be started something.
Hey! Hands up in the air for Michael Jackson, come on! Mabuhay tayo mga Pinoy. Speaking of mga Pinoy, once again, thank you so much.
uwian na. Tapos na yung palabas. So, walang daanan dito. Doon.
Uy, wag yung kong iwan.
Ayan, nagsiuwian na yung mga tao. Mas mapiruan.
Lala.
Pero ano? Okay.
Excuse me. Up.
Up, okay.
Boy.
May. Yun, uwian na guys. Pilipino. So lahat to magmimitro. Surfing ko. Diba na yan? Diba mas sigat na? Saan sila? Isa sa likod. We are the children. We are the world to make a brighter day. So let's start speaking. Grabe naman yung exit na binigay sa atin. Madya mo yan at uwian. Sabay yan. Lahat ito guys, magsisiuwian na. Lahat ito, majority sa mga ito sasakay ng metro. Goodbye.
Mabuhay tayo mga Pinoy. Speaking of mga Pinoy, once again, thank you so much.